Hello, what is your name?
Hi, my name is Armin, and you?
My name is Arcy. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
Do you have friends?
Yes, I do. I don't have many friends though. However, the friends I have are really awesome. They're sensible and understanding.
How often do you talk to your friends?
I talk to my friends every day.
How do you communicate with your friends?
I communicate face to face and also through cell phone and apps like WhatsApp.
What are some things you like most about your friends?
There are quite a few, they're really loving and caring. I know, no matter what, they're always there for me whenever I need them. I know they've got my back. My friends are honest, sensible, and hardworking. They're a positive influence in my life.
Do you prefer to spend time with friends or spend time alone?
I prefer to spend time with my friends. I love their company, and I enjoy with them.
What are some activities you enjoy doing with your friends?
I enjoy doing a lot of stuff with my friends. For example, I love exploring new places and meeting new people. And, therefore, whenever there is a chance, I travel to new places with my friends to get to know the people and their culture. I enjoy both playing and watching sports with them too.
Is friendship important to you?
Yes, friends are very important for me. I can share all my feelings with them. They're a great influence in my life and, of course, in a positive way.
Do your friends think that you are a good friend?
I think my friends like me. We spend a lot of time together, and they never seem bored. I am honest and straightforward with them, so I think they like me.
What kind of people do you like to have as friends?
I like my friends to be honest, trustworthy, helpful, and intelligent. I also like friends with a good sense of humor.
Does it make things easier in a friendship if you have similar interests?
Yes, definitely. With similar interests, friends can spend time together and not get bored. They will also have similar topics for discussion. Consequently, it will be easier for them to continue their friendship.
What do you think makes people have long friendships?
I believe that communication and understanding play a fundamental part in the development of lifelong friendships. If two people desire a long-term friendship, they must understand one another, make equal effort, and maintain regular contact to strengthen their ties.
How do people make friends nowadays?
Nowadays, people make friends through internet by joining social networking sites like Facebook, Twitter, and WhatsApp.
Do you think it is possible to become real friends with people you meet on the internet?
Real friendship, in my opinion, has nothing to do with how or where we meet, but rather with how we decide to develop the relationship. I believe it is feasible to create a genuine friendship online. The only necessary characteristics of a friend are honesty, dependability, empathy, respect, and loyalty. If you are receiving all of these benefits from online friends, making genuine online mates should be simple.
How do people meet and make friends in your country?
In my country, People make friends in schools, colleges, while traveling, during family get-togethers, during outings, and in many other ways. Nowadays, making online friends has also become very popular.
Do adults and children make friends in the same way?
Adults and children do not make friends the same way. Children are very innocent and make friends from the heart. They don't judge a person before they make friends. Adults, on the other hand, are very calculative. They make friends after judging whether or not that person can be helpful to them.
Are friends more important than family?
Friends and family are both important, but, I think, family is definitely more important than friends. Friends can turn out to be fair-weather friends, but family is always with you in your good times and bad times. It has been rightly said that in prosperity your friends know you, but in adversity you know your friends.
It's been a pleasure talking to you. Thank you.
It's my pleasure. Goodbye. See you again.
Bye.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel for more video. Subscribe.